How to link Facebook page to Messenger. In order to link your Facebook page to Messenger, first of all, you have to follow all of the steps that will be showed in the video. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first tap on Facebook on your mobile device and then your Facebook will be launched in your mobile device. After you launch the Facebook on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile section on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the top right and your Facebook profile will be open. Now you have to go to the search settings and you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After that, you have to go to the page. After that, you have to go to the personal information of the page. After you go to the personal information of the page, you will see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to go to the option of privacy settings. After you go to the option of privacy settings, you have to scroll down. You have to go to the option of messaging. And if the messaging option out there is off, you have to change the very option to on. And this way, your messaging option will be enabled and your settings will also be updated. Now you have to go back. After going back, now you have to go to the very screen like this and then you have to go to the option of linked accounts. After that, you have to go to the option of the home setting. After that, you will see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to wait for a while. After waiting for a while, you have to go to the profile section out there and then you can see that your account has been linked. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.